costochondral junction. These are very common images, so means commonly it can come in exam. It is because of vitamin D deficiency, and vitamin C deficiency causes scorbutic rosary. Done. Coming to the next question. The next question we have, yes, very common question. This year it came in the exam. Do you like her necklace, or something known as Kessel's necklace? Can you please tell me which vitamin deficiency causes this? Yes, vitamin B3 is nothing but niacin. Niacin deficiency cause one problem known as pellagra. I'll repeat again, don't cram. Vitamin B3, there's some vitamin B3 known as niacin. Niacin deficiency causes one problem known as pellagra. Pellagra, the patient will have a rash at the sun exposed areas. Sun exposed areas, the patient will have a rash. The farmers which are working in the farms, usually this part of the neck is exposed to the sun. That is why classical the patient will have a rash over here. Sometimes they put their dhoti little above, so the rash can also come in the thigh also. So sun exposed area, that is why classical here the patient will have a rash known as Kessel's necklace. Can you please tell me what is vitamin B1? Any guesses? Vitamin B1 is thiamine. Very good. And vitamin B2 is riboflavin. That's right. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes what? Any guesses? What it causes? Yes, it causes beriberi. Very good. So vitamin B1 deficiency will cause beriberi. Beriberi of two types. We have dry beriberi and wet beriberi. Which one involves the CNS? Dry beriberi involves the CNS, and wet means heart. It involves the heart. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin B3 deficiency causes pellagra. Okay, I'll give you two eclairs. If you can tell me, pellagra is seen in which, like the staple diet will be what? Yes, someone who is eating maize. The African people or countries where the staple diet is maize. Maize look like this. Let me show you this one. So someone who is exclusively eating the maize is deficient in vitamin B3. Maize is deficient in vitamin B3. I am a 10-year-old. My staple diet is this. This is known as maize. And which vitamin deficiency I have? Maize is deficient in vitamin B3, niacin, and that deficiency causes pellagra. And pellagra has 4D that everyone knows. The patient will have diarrhea, dementia, dermatitis, and death. Very good. Diarrhea, dementia, dermatitis, and death. So multiple questions we have covered of micronutrients. That's what. So vitamin B1 deficiency causes beriberi. B3 deficiency causes pellagra. What is B5? B5 is pantothenic acid. B6 pyridoxine. B7 biotin. B12 cyanocobalamin. Very good. Now coming to the next question. This we have done. This is the classical necklace. This is the classical rash. Only at the sun exposed area the farmers will have these rash. That you should know. Okay, I'll give you two eclairs. Daily protein requirement in a 2-year-old child. A, B, C, D. What do you think? Random answer. A, B, C, D. How much? Hanji sir, what do you think? Okay, 14, 25 gram. Okay, I'm not asking your requirement. So, remember one thing. 1 gram per kg per day. Very simple. 1 gram per kg per day is the requirement for any baby in general. If I talk about a newborn baby or an infant, it is little zyada. That is 1.5 gram per kg per day. At least you, me, every one of us, the protein requirement is 1 gram per kg per day. Very small baby's infant, it will be 1.5 gram per kg per day. Okay, but still my question is not solved here. I understood 1 gram per kg per day is in the requirement, but they have not given the weight of the child. Daily protein requirement in a 2-year-old. What is the weight of a 2-year-old? 1 exactly. 1-year-old is how much kg? 10 kg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So the question says 2-year-old how much should be the protein requirement? 2-year-old means roughly I think 12 kg, and 1 gram per kg means 12 gram. But examiner has a habit of not to put a copy paste answer. The closest best answer is 13 gram. The closest best answer is 13 gram. That's why A is the best answer. Next question. Name the drugs